Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to change time zone in Microsoft Teams. First, let's know a little about Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a collaboration platform developed by Microsoft that integrates chats, video, meetings, file storage, and application integrations. It's designed to facilitate teamwork by providing a centralized space for communication and collaboration, making it easier for team to work together whether you are in the same office or spread across the globe. You can open Microsoft Teams from your browser or you can download it from your Microsoft Store. As you can see, I have already installed it. You will greet it with a decorated dashboard after opening Microsoft Teams. So right here in the left side of your home screen, you can find some features like activity, community, chats, and calendar. Click on calendar. You can add a schedule or find scheduled meetings. In the top right corner, you will find some options. Join with an ID allows you to join a meeting that hosted by another person. You also can host a meeting by clicking on this meeting now button. Also, new meeting will help you to schedule your next meetings. Now, click on your profile icon. Here you can change your status and availability. Next to it, you will find a three-dot icon. You are gonna find settings option here. Click on settings. Here you will see all the settings related to Microsoft Teams. General, appearance and accessibility, mobile device, notification and activity, accounts and orgs, privacy, people, pricing and upgrades, team insider program. As you can see, there is no option to change your time zone. The only thing you can do that change the time zone from your computer settings manually. Just click on the window icon here, click on settings, click on time and language, then click on date and time, and you are gonna find a time zone option here. Click on it. You can choose any time zone according to your needs. Now you can change your time zone easily. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you soon with another video.